these are the 5 things that are literally taking away your money, and that's why you cannot be able to multiply that money. I didn't know I was losing a lot of money when I did not have these 5 checklists. And when you see this red book, you know it's serious time. So welcome to a new month where I'm going to show you exactly what are some of the checklists that have been eating away your money, some of the mistakes you have been doing, that's why your money is not adding up. For people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Miss Julie KE. I talk about financial stability, making money on the online space, and learning a new skill. And when you see this red book, you know that it's serious. When it comes to every month, people literally make these mistakes every single month. You do not have a budget, you do not have the right things in place, and you have no idea where your money is going through. So first thing is you need to be able to review your previous month expenses. What are some of the things that you have used your money on in the previous month? What are some of the things that you misused? How did you misuse your money? How did you use your money? These are things you can only be able to do with a budget tracker, because it will help you to track your money. It will help you to know where your money is going and where you are losing the money. And not only will you get a budget tracker, but you will also get a saving tracker in all-in-one bundle that you can get a link to it down here below. It is a good spreadsheet that will help you to navigate your money, where your money is going, to know where you need to be able to save your money in things like emergency funds, pension fund, medical fund, because these are things that are very crucial for you to be able to survive and for you to be able to see your money grow. So grab yourself to an all-in-one bundle. The link is down here below to help you know exactly how you have been using your money. The previous month, this is how much I have spent on rent, this is how much I have spent on food, this is how much I have spent on utilities, and all these things. All it you can be able to get on my budget tracker. If you cannot be able to know where your money has been spent, then it will not even be easy for us to go to the next step. So if you can be able to navigate and understand where your money has gone and how you have been using your money, then you can go to step 2. Setting clear income goals. Setting clear income goals, setting clear income and saving goals. Most of us are not true to ourselves. You need to be able to be honest with yourself. How much money are you making? Don't be delusional. If you know you have made this amount of money this month, that is the money you have made. If you have a business and things are not working and this is the amount you have made, don't try to be delusional and adding your own amounts in your head. This is the money you have, this is the money you have made this month, so this is what we are working with. And from you being able to know your income, it will be easier for you to know how much can I save. And when it comes to my saving goals, how much do I need? What is my target and how much can I be able to save to reach my target? So for you to be able to know, for you being able to be clear with yourself, this is my income and this is the goals I have when it comes to saving, it will help you a lot. So make sure that you have the right clear income. If you have a side hustle and you're working, put aside, this is the amount I have made. Like for me, I have 3 ways that I'm making. My first one is my side hustle that I recently started. It's my salon business. It literally is not bringing in a lot of money, so I'm not paying myself there. My other income is selling digital products, which has been able to bring me this amount of money. And my other income is my YouTube channel, which I have not yet been paid. So another income is through affiliate marketing, which has also been able to make me this amount of money. So I know that this is the money I'm working with. I'm very clear with myself that YouTube is not paying me yet, so I'm not going to be delusional. I'm very clear with myself that my side hustle cannot be able to pay me yet, so I'm not delusional. I know these are the 2 streams of income and this is the amount I have and I'm working with in this month. That is exactly how you need to be clear with yourself. And then for my goals, what am I trying to work on? For my emergency fund, I know I need to raise this amount of money. You yourself, you need to know. For me, it really depends. When it comes to an emergency fund, it varies from person to person. So you cannot work with my emergency fund. You need to sit down and know exactly how much you spend in your home on a monthly basis and be able to know, okay, I'm saving towards a 3-month emergency fund, and this is how much I can be able to chip in for my emergency fund. Very clear with yourself on that. For my medical fund, this is how much I am saving on a monthly basis. For my pension fund, this is how much I am saving on my pension fund. And these are the 3 saving goals I have for myself, especially in this year. So don't give yourself a lot of goals that, you know, depending on the money, the income that is coming in, it cannot be able to sustain your saving goals. At least so that you can be able to remain with some amount to spend on yourself, some amount to pay bills, and be able to do other things. That is something you need to be very clear with yourself, for you to be able to see where your money is going and where you need to be working on. Another thing is automate saving and investments. So if, like I said, you're saving for your emergency, you're saving for your pension, you're saving for your medical funds, and you're also investing in buying stocks, in buying bonds, and all these other stuffs, if it is possible, you can be able to automate your money with your bank. It will be way easier for you. You don't have to overthink, because most of the time, let me just be honest, most of the time when you get money, it always gives you a reason not to pay yourself, because these 3 things that I've mentioned, it's a way of paying yourself, and investing is also a way of paying yourself. So if you can be able to automate with your bank, like this amount should be coming out of my account every month to go for this, for my emergency fund, to go for my medical fund, to go for my pension, to go for my kids' education, to go for investments, and all the other things. It will help you a lot, so that by the time you're going to your bank account, you know that, okay, I have automated everything, this is the amount I'm remaining with, and this is what we're working with. Instead of you having the cash and then convincing yourself that you'll pay later, and before you know it, you have literally used all that money and you cannot even be able to pay yourself. And that is when you always feel a lot of regret, a lot of pain, but you can do nothing because you've already used the money. So it's way easier if you just automate some stuff, and it will save you a lot of stress. Okay, another, eliminating unnecessary spending. So if you're someone who likes to spend a lot, and I'm talking about buying unnecessary stuff, we all have our own weaknesses. There's someone who is very weak in, they're very shopaholic, like they will be buying clothes, they'll be buying shoes, they'll be buying bags that they cannot even use. One of the problems I had was that you buy a lot of clothes that you never even wear. You need to be able to cut off. Give yourself a budget. If you know that you don't need to buy this month, you don't put money aside to buy clothes. If you feel like, I already have a lot of clothes, so I'm not going to spend money on clothes, you don't need to spend money on clothes. You can spend it on other stuffs. You can take that money and spend it on things that will actually add value to you. Things like learning new skills, things like investing in learning new skills, which leads us to the last point, which is invest in learning skills, invest in growing your skills. Because for you to be able to make more money, you need to be able to bring more value to the table. So if you are a social media manager, you can add on another skill like video editing, you can add on another skill like writing, you can add on other skills that you feel they will help you, that relate with whatever you do. So good places like Coursera, you can be great lecturers who will teach you on the right contents that you can be able to kickstart your journey to improving in your skills and also improving in your finances. Because at the end of the day, working on your personal development, it does not go in vain, because the more you put on your brain, the more you invest in yourself, the more the outcome. So it's better for you to invest in yourself, learning those skills, investing in yourself, in being healthy, being healthy, looking healthy. It will help you a lot in being able to navigate the things that can help you to make more money. Because when you're more healthier and when you have more skills, when you're more healthier and you actually have value to bring to the table, then you can be able to go around and make that more money and not have to work all the time. Invest that money and grow that money. Okay, so don't be that person that will always be going on a monthly basis with the same situation every single month. You can change your situation. You can change how this month will be by getting yourself a budget tracker and a saving tracker all in one at a very affordable price to help you navigate and start your journey as a beginner in budgeting your money and knowing where your money is going to. If you have found value in this video, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell. From me to you, it's bye bye. See you on my next video.